Hi friends, this is Sakir and today I'm going to show you how to data transfer from PUBG global account to Indian account. Here you can see this is my PUBG Indian account when I have created my account for the first time when I have downloaded my PUBG Indian version. Here you can see there are no statistics since it was my new account created from the Indian version. To transfer data from global to Indian version, in between click on settings from the bottom right corner, and here you can see the option to account transfer. Click on that and click yes to data transfer. Select for which account do you have. I have my Facebook account. I have clicked that and I will give my credentials to log in with my Facebook account. I have gave my credentials and prompted yes. It will prompt you to log in for once again. Give your Facebook or Twitter credentials once again to log in. I have gave my credentials and log in. Here you can see the above message, that is data transfer is in progress. Now it is getting data transferred from global to Indian account. It takes some time. Let's see. I think within seconds we can accessible the global account to Indian account without losing any data. Here you can see we are logging now. It gives message 18 years old or not. I am 18 years old, so I click this. Here you can see my avatar has been changed, so it is indication that I have accessed my global account in my Indian account. Here you can see in my statistics also. Here you can see my tier overview is ground 4, which was the statistics from my global account. Now it shows in my Indian account. Finally we can transfer we have been transferred data successfully. Let's see whether settings sensitivity controls. Here you can see if friends list is empty. I think in maps we should download resource pack. In settings, go to controls. Yeah, these controls are entirely new. We have to set up once again. I think sensitivity also default. We have to set it once again. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.